This is a video about dynamic themes on the PlayStation 3. My question is, why haven't more dynamic themes got sound? Because I just discovered one with sound effect. It's a dog one. And I had this idea a while back. I was just wondering why you couldn't have sound on dynamic themes. Alright, I like this one. I might actually buy this. This has got a slight sound of water. So is the sound new on the dynamic themes? Don't know if that's just crackly sound or the sound of the water actually. But this one, the dog one, is £2.39. So I haven't got enough on my account to buy it. But yeah, barking. It's cute. I was just about to buy this, and it's just I haven't got enough money on my account. I don't want to put another £5 on at the moment. It's cute. I like that, but it'll probably get annoying after a while. I've already got a couple of dynamic things they're trying to fit it on. No sound effect with it, but it's quite cute. Just basically wallpaper that's animated in the background all the time. Nice waterfall one. So they come from yeah, I thought it'd be quite cute. So iPad dynamic theme. Yeah, I like that. Look at this. Oh, she's just twiddling her hair. That's funny. Silly. That's silly. South Park. There's a nice beach, but you can't really see the water and the waves. There's so many cartoony ones. I'd much think it's a much better value to have something like this. I like that. Think about right, there's a cat dynamic theme. Yeah, well, don't know about that. There we go. This one's pretty good. There's a turtle swimming underwater. They only show you a few frames here, but I think the loop's going to be bigger than what they're showing. Yeah, I like that. How much is that? £1.59. I could buy that now. Aroma, that's quite good. Yeah, it's alright. There's a dynamic theme. That's a trippy one. There's lots of things like that. This is one of the better ones of that type. Yeah, but it could do with some sound.